If you want to generate stunning infographics and that too only using couple of prompts, then this video is for you. You can see these are the infographics I generated recently using this particular option, and these are stunning with all these details, everything mentioned here. In this video, I'll show you all those steps you need to take to generate this kind of infographic. Now, first of all, what I'll do, I'll go to NotebookLM. That's the application we are going to use. So if I type NotebookLM and then I hit enter, you will be able to see this kind of an option. So I'll click on Google NotebookLM and then I'll click on Try NotebookLM. Now once I do that, it will take me to my NotebookLM console. In case you are using it for the first time, then you use your Google credentials to log in. So within NotebookLM, you can do it in multiple different ways. First of all, once you click on a new notebook, so then you will be getting this kind of a prompt. If you have already certain files, like maybe you have a PDF file where you have the required details, then you can click on upload file, you can upload. If you have certain links, different website links that you can use here, YouTube videos, different website links, everything will work here. You can also give access to your Google Drive and it will pull the data from there. And also if you have certain amount of text using which you want to generate the infographic, that also you can do. So all these options are there. Now, if you don't have any of this, then also one option is there. You can type your requirement here, then it will pull out those details from the internet and it will give you those details absolutely ready. Now let me show you this particular option where we don't have anything, and from there how can we build it. I will also show you another way you can generate quality content and get required links from a different source and how can you use it. But first of all, let me show you how can you get it generated from here only. Okay, I have copied one prompt now, and if I paste it here, what I'm going to do, this is for a class 12 student, electrochemistry, and I would like to get some of the content. So I'll paste this particular prompt in the comments below so that you can also copy paste. And if I click on this particular icon, then it will pull those details from the internet. Currently, I selected the fast research so that I can show it quickly. You can also use the deep research to pull out all those details. Currently, you can see it pulled out nearly 10 different links. And if I click on import, so once it will import details from all those links, then our base details will be ready. So this is the way you can utilize NotebookLM to get different sources and you will be able to pull it out. Another way, let me show you. I have used Perplexity AI to also generate those links. Let me show you what am I talking about. Here, what I've done, I use this particular prompt that I need to give a presentation to all aspirant YouTubers on the growth strategy and other. So in other line, actually, I was trying to understand how to grow my YouTube channel. So, and I asked for links, that what are the source links I should be using. If you see, only give me all source links which I can just copy paste. After that, it never gave me those links directly. Then I had to ask, give me all links in plain text format, and then I got all these links. Then what I have done, I just copied from here and I used in NotebookLM. Let me show you. So currently this is being generated. If I go back here, you can see YouTube growth strategy I have already created. There I imported all those links and it all details were pulled out from there. So this is another way. So first of all, you can use NotebookLM to fetch all those details directly. You can use its deep research capability also. Currently we used only the first research. You can go to the deep research also, and then you can fetch all those details. Now this is the way you will get your content ready. Now you can use any other methods also. If you already have certain details ready, all those things can be done. So while we are talking about this particular feature, I have a small announcement. My ChatGPT course is now available on Skillshare. I have added one link in the description below. Check out that link to access my course from Skillshare. You'll be getting a 15 days trial there, and during the trial period, you can watch my course and multiple different other courses published by multiple renowned instructors around the world on different topics. And if you like the Skillshare as a platform, you can also continue. They have a huge collection of multiple different courses on different topics. So just check out the link if you have any such requirement. Now coming back, and let me show you the next step. Now the next option is, if you come here, you'll be able to see one option, that is Infographic. If I click on this pen icon, then another dialog box will come. Here multiple different options are there. landscape, portrait, square, whatever the way you want. Concise, standard or detailed. Let's go ahead with the detailed one. Landscape is fine because it will give us more screen real estate. English is the correct language what we are looking for. Now let me paste one prompt here. In here you will be able to mention the way, what are the colors, what are the themes, how you want that infographic to be designed, that you can also mention. I already have one of the prompt copied. Let me pull it from there. Now this is the prompt I already pasted here. Create the compact revision infographic, so that what we're trying to do, maybe just before the exam, in case someone needs to revise all those concepts and everything, this infographic should be helpful. And if I click on generate, then it will start working. You can see currently it's generating based on 10 different sources, and it will take some time to generate. Now normally it takes nearly 7 to 10 minutes to generate this infographic. Let me show you few of the infographic which I already generated. If I come back and I go to Canva, then you can see these are the things. First of all, for the YouTube strategy, I asked for, and it generated this particular infographic. You can see how detailed it is, everything, all those things. In fact, for the monetization, everything is mentioned, and it also recognized I'm using it from India, so that's why it mentioned in Indian currency, right? So all those details it mentioned, everything together. Similar way, I also generated this similar thing, photoelectric effect. So this was the infographic it generated earlier. So couple of ways you can do it. First of all, you get your content ready. So you can utilize NotebookLM, you can use Perplexity AI to get all those links. That one option. Second option, if you already have a book, if you have a textbook, any other sources, that also you can upload as a PDF. If you already have some additional notes in the text format, that also you can upload, and it can help you to generate. So this is the way you will be able to utilize NotebookLM to generate stunning infographics for your use. Now this particular infographic is also ready. If I just open, now you'll be able to see this is the infographic it generated. You can see how detailed it is. It already created 4 different sections, and all those details are mentioned. If I just download, you'll be able to also see the quality. It will be nearly 6 MB size, right? Earlier last time, yeah, nearly 6 MB of size, and this is the infographic it generated for us, and that too just using couple of prompts and within 5 minutes time. So this is the way you will be able to utilize it down the line. Let me know your view. Will it be useful, not useful? And also let me know if you want me to cover this kind of tools in future, or if you have any specific question. If you want to generate PowerPoint presentation, and that too using different AI tools, I earlier published one video where I covered 3 different free tools using which you will be able to generate stunning PowerPoint presentation, and that too absolutely for free. Check out this video to know everything about it.